for the Hong Kong market, the insurance awareness is very high. People realize that they will need insurance, whether it's protection, medical, critical illness, but I don't think they really understand the difference. So in a sense, they still require financial advisory to help them actually choose. There are people who want to do their insurance purchase, or they want to find out insurance information through online. But at the end of the day, I think a lot of the Hong Kong people still want to purchase their insurance or investment policies through a face-to-face meeting. And I think that's where I think the market is still going to be in the next 5-10 years. So even though digital insurance is something that is coming up, like something new, but I don't think that's going to be a mainstream or a core market business model. The number of registered insurance agents or advisors in Hong Kong has been increasing for the last 3 years. So I would say in 2015, it's over 40,000 registered agents in Hong Kong. Now it's over 60,000 registered agents. So there is still an upward trend. Although a lot of the new advisors that are joining the industry actually comes from mainland Chinese. So in Hong Kong, the market is a little bit split. So you have a local Hong Kong people who are probably in the aging market, but you also have a pool of new immigrants coming from mainland China that are actually much younger generations. So there is actually a mix of old and new generations together in the Hong Kong market, I would say. And we started to build our younger generation advisory about 3 years ago. Right now, our Gen Y advisories are about 50% of our agency force. So we are able to make our agency force younger, because if you have a younger agency force, your natural market tends to be younger as well. The biggest challenge, I would say, is more how to increase our market share in Hong Kong. We are one of the players in Hong Kong. So how do we actually make ourselves some differentiation in the market is one of our continuous challenge. While we actually embark on our digital transformation journey, one of the things that we say that we want to really make sure that the client's experience when they have a touch point with us, it is something that is memorable. It is something that they actually want to continue. So even though we're not one of the so-called big names in Hong Kong, but our client services is still one of the best.